I believe that, as I've said, with everything that's gone on in the last 6 months or so, never has there been a more important time in our industry to be able to articulate and to actually create and add to the value that we represent to our clients. So what we're going to do for starters is we're going to have a look at, in chronological order really, through the engagement process, we're going to have a look at some steps that I believe that we can all take in order to add real value to the client, and what we're on a mission to do when adding value in this particular context is we're looking to create a quality experience for the client rather than just completing a transaction. And where most advisors fall short is that as soon as trauma cover comes up, they tend to be talking in no time at all about the big four and how they represent 90% plus of all claims and you know, blah, 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 blah. And again, your 26-year-old, your 28-year-old switched off. Yeah. Because this is for old people that get sick. It's got nothing to do with me. And that is so wrong, okay? Because you can make an argument if you introduce the Miracle product with those traumas that are specifically targeted at the age of the person sitting in front of you, then all of a sudden you've got a totally different reception from the person in terms of what this actual product is designed to do and who it's designed to do it for.
Based on all your stuff on trauma, I've literally just put in place 250 for a guy who wants $1 million, can't afford it, he's 30 years old, he's single, and he even jokes to me before putting it in place, I can't go drive my car yet, I don't have the cover in place. And every year for the next 4 years he wants to build up $2 million of trauma cover.